let's talk about assigning ELA articles. When we were on the student dashboard, you saw that your students could click in to any article and get the version automatically. Well, sometimes you ELA teachers may actually want to assign a specific topic for your class to read. Then you would go to Assign ELA in the top left corner, click Add an Assignment, click Articles, and you as a teacher can actually filter for specific topics or articles that work on particular anchor skills. You can assign those specifically to your students to read. So as you click a filter, the articles at the bottom here will adjust, so only the ones that meet your filter will show up. Every single article is available in at least 5 or 6 different reading levels, and you can see those reading levels underneath the picture of each article. You could also use this grade level filter bar. So if you're teaching early readers, you might want to filter it so you only see kindergarten and first grade level articles. Or if you're teaching middle grades, you may want to do that. And see, even when I applied the filter, I still have over 400 articles to choose from. And that's because every single article is available in at least 5 or 6 different levels. So I always encourage teachers to go in here and scroll through and find topics that are interesting to them. If you're teaching social studies or science, or your colleagues are, you could filter by those specifically if you'd like. What you'll want to do is click on an article that looks interesting and preview it. From the teacher dashboard here, you'll be able to see all of the different levels. So here's the first grade level of the article. You can also preview the writing prompt, the vocabulary, as well as the reading comprehension questions. You'll see those all change as you toggle to different levels. So the 5th grade level looks really different than the 1st grade level, and the 7th grade version looks even more different. And remember here, you're just previewing. This is these are all the different levels that your students may get. And I'll show you in a second how to assign this endangered species article so that every single student automatically gets the article at his or her own level. For those who are teaching early grades, I know there were a few teachers here from who teach kindergarten or 1st grade. You'll want to check out this early reader function here, which gives your students a sentence, an audio that reads that sentence.
Pandas are amazing animals. Pandas are amazing animals.
This feature is also great for English as second language learners, as well as we see a lot of special education teachers using it. So once you preview the levels and you like what you see, just go ahead and click that green Assign button. You can choose to assign just reading or reading and vocabulary or writing. So for that teacher who had a question about writing, we do have writing available, and your students would do the writing assignment in their student dashboard. You will see those writing assignments populate in your teacher dashboard automatically. We suggest you keep this grade level at adaptive level. That means that for every single student down here, FrontRow will recommend a reading level to them. And these recommended levels are based off of the pre-test that your students took, as well as any other practice they've done in FrontRow since then. Maybe you have a student that you'd like to challenge that day. You can come in here and manually change their grade level, or maybe you have a student that you believe tested incorrectly on the pre-test and you want to have them start reading at an early reader level first. Well, you can also do that. So once you've selected the students you want to assign to, you scroll to the bottom and just click that green Assign button, and your students will have those reading assignments ready for them when they log into FrontRow. So I know some of you are really excited about the ability to assign articles. So I do want to point out that with the free version, you will be able to assign articles in ELA. You will be limited to 5 article assignments per month. But the next month, that resets, so you'll be able to assign 5 new articles. And keep in mind that the 5 article assignments, those that's just a limitation for you when you're assigning an article. But if your students log into FrontRow and just practice articles, they won't be constrained to any number. They can read as many as they want.